1. Casual dress causes the lost problem. 2. Most employees say yes, it's okay. 3. Fashion is the pain in the neck. 4. She wore stylish shoes. 5. He wore the dark skirt. 6. That's a very hard time. 7. She's a very fashionable lawyer. 8. It's a note fashion umbrella. 8. It's a no fashion umbrella. 9. I love her elegant tennis skirt. 10. They are very comfortable loafer. 11. What an offensive vest. 12. I really like it. 13. I like to stand out in the crowd. 14. It's important to dress well. 15. I don't like to attract attention. 16. I'm a lot more comfortable in subtle clothes. 17. They may cost a bit more. 18. The posts in the magazine not elegant.